For many, the brand AirAsia is synonymous with low-cost travel, and with the combined subsidiaries, it is the fifth largest airline in Asia. Now, it is looking to change the game in online travel booking with a new partnership with Kiwi.com, as the Malaysia-based airline group is looking to sell flights operated by competing airlines in a bid to generate more revenue for the airline group. This new initiative is part of AirAsia's restructuring with the AirAsia.com website, along with its other digital ventures such as the AirAsia Big Loyalty Program and the Roki in-flight Wi-Fi services. Now, for the airline's own website, AirAsia.com, it is looking to transform the website to become the future Amazon of travel for the Asia Pacific, and the new Kiwi.com partnership is the first step for that plan. As part of the new partnership, AirAsia will have a profit-sharing model with Kiwi.com, a Czech-based travel website started in 2012 that focused on bundling travel options for bookings with airlines to destinations beyond AirAsia's network, including those in Europe, North America, Australia, and South America. Beyond the Kiwi.com deal, AirAsia CEO Tony Fernandez has stated that the airline is looking to establish other profit-sharing partnership agreements with other airlines that are willing to cooperate with the airline group. At present, the first few destinations that travelers could book travel to, thanks to the new partnership on the AirAsia.com website, include London, Barcelona, and Madrid in Europe, Auckland in New Zealand, and Doha, Dubai, and Istanbul in the Middle East. Now, for many, this is a bold move for AirAsia, with some, including Expedia and Bookings.com, questioning the decision. We'll discuss that move, but first, we'll also take a look and preview the experience on the website, which has been recently updated along with the announcement. For those of you looking to book regular AirAsia flights within the region on any of its subsidiaries, you can still do so, and this remains unchanged. Now, for booking on any of the new destinations such as London, one thing that stood out that might confuse some people will be the origin options for travelers from Kuala Lumpur of KLIA and KLIA2, with the first option featuring the new route selections. Though things take a different turn once you click search, as it takes you directly to a separate white label booking site. As for my first impressions, the network of routes that you can select and book travel to the new destinations advertised are limited for those departing from Kuala Lumpur and Jakarta, with a few options from Sydney. Another thing one would immediately notice with the options available for booking on the Kiwi.com powered flights is that since it's using the Kiwi.com platform, travelers may not get an AirAsia flight option for at least the first flight, especially if you're traveling from Kuala Lumpur to, say, London. Now, I do encourage you to check out the website and try booking the new features and destinations, and feel free to share your experiences on the comment section below. As for the use of the internet in terms of online travel booking, it has revolutionized the process, and AirAsia is looking to revolutionize the process once again. Booking travel with other airlines on an airline site is not very uncommon. Actually, it is practiced especially among those airlines with codeshare flights, especially with those among airline alliances. Though doing some quick research on airline booking sites, I immediately noticed some airlines like United selling flights on Cathay Pacific connecting on a United flight between Singapore and San Francisco, and Delta selling Singapore Airlines flights on its own platform on the same route. These instances may be very rare, though I could see how this would generate connecting traffic on United or Delta flights from Tokyo going to San Francisco. Though the functionality of the website bookings for the new destinations is fairly limited, the example of United and Delta between Singapore and San Francisco could be a template for what AirAsia is looking for in the very near future, which could tap into a potential market of those who travel to a hub like Singapore or Hong Kong and connect to other parts of Asia using a different airline, such as a budget carrier like a Cebu Pacific or AirAsia, which are often not bundled with conventional travel booking sites offerings. For AirAsia, it remains optimistic as it's looking to tap into the data of its loyalty program and the website usage as a key advantage when it comes to competing against the likes of online and conventional travel agencies, which do have a major presence still in the Asia Pacific region. Though the viability of operating both the website as a travel platform separately from the airline, as well as the main business of AirAsia's passenger traffic, Some may question whether the AirAsia group as a company has the ability to balance both businesses, and whether the company as a whole is stretching itself thin with its other ventures. As ambitious as AirAsia's plans and the new partnership with Kiwi.com, is AirAsia's plan for its website to become the future Amazon of travel for the Asia Pacific, a far-fetched dream or the way of the future for online travel booking? Thank you for watching. This has been another edition of Flights in Asia, highlighting the news and updates from the aviation and travel scene from the Asia Pacific. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Once again, thank you for watching and have a great day.